I've always told people to learn UI on their own and learn UX on their first job.
But things have changed.
Designers need to do more than ever to be effective. Now, I've been designing since 2010. Here's the roadmap I think you should take. It starts with learning AI so that you can practice your UX design skills while you learn UI design to practice design systems. Yeah, it's a lot. But the tools to bring your ideas to life are better than ever, meaning good design is more powerful than ever. See, you can go to Figma Make or Lovable or Bolt, type in an idea, and now you've got a prototype. Yeah, vague input means you get a vague output. So learn prompting. There's an awesome guide that Lovable made, which goes into really great detail. And their designer, Felix, is posting awesome guides on his socials. Read those, practice, and now you've got good prompting. And the output is going to look better. Well, you need to learn to sell your designs by honing in your UX design skills. UX strategy comes down to two things: having a clear vision grounded in problems that specific people are experiencing, and then having some way of validating the solutions you make for those exact users. You'll never get this perfect, and that is the point. That's why design is never going away. Everything can always be optimized, but learning to prioritize what's being optimized and how you're doing that is the real work that we're doing. And you do that through actual user testing. You publish the prototypes that you're getting from AI and watch real users struggle through your prototypes, staying quiet until they get stuck, and then asking non-leading questions to try to understand why they're stuck at all. Use those insights to iterate on your prototypes and document the process by creating reports of your reasoning every step of the way. Send those to ChatGPT and tell it to act as a product manager that is going to tear your designs up. Fix it and then do it again, but this time ask it to act as a CEO who doesn't care about design at all. Iterate, document, and refine. That is what fills your days now. It's months in, you've honed in your first project, now you do it again. But while you're doing that, it's time to learn Figma. So you can import those prototypes into Figma using plugins. And then you can edit the UI pixel by pixel to prep for final handoff and design system integration. To make edits, you need to understand information architecture, spacing, and typography. And when you have some basic UI skills, you can move faster in Figma by using frames instead of groups. Learn auto layout to create systemized UI, and learn variables and components to build out a mini design system. I like atomic design methodology, where you create repeatable atoms that are used in molecules that are used in organisms. And if you do all of that, it's a lot, I know. But you'll know the process that product teams take to ship new features. You'll have honed in your UX design and research skills, and you'll be able to demonstrate all of that knowledge through some banging case studies. Are you excited? If you're passionate, you can do this. I'm telling you, you got this. You freaking got this.